sky is glowing, the night has slipped away. I open up my window and welcome in your day. With every breath I'm given, I whisper out your name. Jesus, you are faithful, yesterday, today, the same. I woke up with a heartbeat, a gift I can't repay. Your mercy met me softly at the beginning of this day. I leave behind my worries, I leave behind my fear, because I know my Savior is always standing near. So take my hands this morning, take everything I am, lead me through the hours according to your plan. Good morning, Jesus, let your light shine through. I give you all my worries, I give my heart to you. Good morning, Savior, your grace has made me strong. With you beside me, Jesus, I know where I belong. The sunrise paints the heavens with colors soft and bright. It reminds my soul that darkness cannot overcome your light. If I should face a struggle, I'll remember what you said. Your love will never leave me, your hand will guide my steps. I don't know what awaits me, but I know who goes ahead. Your presence is my comfort, your promise is my bread. Good morning, Jesus, let your light shine through. I give you all my worries, I give my heart to you. Good morning, Savior, your grace has made me strong. With you beside me, Jesus, I know where I belong. When the sun rises higher, let my faith rise too. When the world gets louder, let me listen close to you. Give me love for every stranger, give me patience when I'm weak. Give me courage for the moments when I don't know what to speak. You are my morning, you are my light, you are my worthy through every night. You are my future, you are my way. Jesus, I'll trust you today and every day. Good morning, Jesus, let your light shine through. I give you all my worries, I give my heart to you. Good morning, Savior, your grace has made me strong. With you beside me, Jesus, I know where I. Good morning, Jesus, this day is yours to lead. Fill my heart with kindness and give me what I need. Good morning, Savior, I'll praise you as I rise. Your love is like the sunrise, your glory fills the sky. A brand new morning, a brand new song. With Jesus beside me, I will carry on. Good morning, Jesus, my Savior and my King. Thank you for this morning. Thank you for everything.